Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid airbag lights and accidental power. Once done, pull out the removable cup holder bin and expose 2 hidden screws. Remove them with a T25/T30 driver. Next, use a plastic pry tool to release the rear trim clips. Apply steady pressure and work forward so clips disengage without cracking plastic. This early work clears access to the console shell and prevents damage later in the process. With outer trim off, check lower mounting bolts. Some models require removing front seat bolts to tilt the console. Do that only if needed. Now unplug all electrical connectors, 12V socket, USB hubs, and any shifter or HVAC harnesses. Label each connector with tape so reassembly is foolproof. Remove the visible console bolts with a 1/2 or 13mm socket. When ready, lift the console rear first to disengage hidden tabs. Lift evenly to avoid snapping internal clips. Once the console is loose, guide it forward and clear of the shifter and center tunnel while watching for snagged wires. Set the console aside on a soft blanket to avoid scratching. Inspect all clips and mounting points, replacing any broken fasteners so reinstallation is solid. If something goes wrong, plug connectors back in and bench test devices before bolting. If the airbag light appears, reconnect the battery and cycle ignition. If it persists, check harness seats and consult a scan tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.